Hey, hi, hello, welcome to Kristen Draws, where I Kristen Draw. Today we are outside enjoying some nature while I show you some of my nature-inspired sketches from a sketchbook that I was working in around the same time last year. So today I'm at Armin Bayou and doing some sketching outside. I find landscapes really hard for me. I'm not really a environmental landscape artist, but I do try to push myself to do them every now and again just to get out of my comfort zone and do something different. And I think it's also a really valuable skill to be able to capture an environment on the page. I think I personally would prefer like a bigger, wider brush or a bigger marker to block in some of the shapes that you see in environments. I find it really hard to capture any natural environment with pens because it's you just can't cover a good amount of space on the page unless you start to do some cross hatching, which is something that I think is a valuable skill in landscape illustration. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching me draw the bayou and some of the spiky palm plants that I see along the water's shore. As always, thanks so much for being here. Okay.